Attend the 4th annual Expand Your Horizons Fair in the Bowen Thompson Student Union Ballroom on Wednesday, September 18th. Learn about a wide range of opportunities to expand your mind and BG experience beyond the classroom. The fair brings together over 100 exhibitors representing BGSU experiential learning areas. Get the inside track on the best BG has to offer, including community-based learning, education abroad, internships, co-ops and practicums, learning communities, public policy projects, undergraduate research, scholarship and creative opportunities, and volunteer opportunities. Enjoy free snacks and enter to win great prizes, including a 5-piece luggage set, a $200 voucher for an alternative break trip, Starbucks gift cards, a $600 plane ticket voucher for an education abroad experience, and a Falcon football game day experience. For more information, visit bgsu.edu/horizons.